Today I want to share an answer to a question that very often my clients ask me. How to stop worrying and start rather moving forward in life and taking action from the place of joy and happiness. I'm not going to share with you that worry is not good for you, it is bad to worry about it because it doesn't help you, it puts you in a negative state, because I believe that you already know that. Rather, I want to dive deep straight into the root cause of worry. Why do we worry? So I think that would be a good idea to do that. So let me just start by asking this question for me. Did you worry last night that whether this morning will happen or not? Did you worry today whether the earth will still keep on rotating and revolving around itself? I hear you saying, no, why would I worry that? But have you ever thought, why do you not worry about these things? I'll tell you why. Because the reason is you very clearly, deeply know and believe that these things are going to happen. After a night, a morning will come. No doubt. The earth does rotate and will rotate around the sun. So you deeply know these universal truths. But now, the modern science, the quantum physics, and also the ancient texts have so many times proved this. You, me, every living being, everything on this universe is an integral part of the whole system, exactly the same way as Earth, Sun, stars, and Moon are. The same universal energy which makes the Earth move is also running through us. So what is it that makes us not believe that universe has our back? Just think it for a moment. If you are such an important and integral part of this universe, can you believe that everything that happens to you is happening for a reason? Everything that's going to happen to you is going to happen for your highest good, because universe doesn't want to harm itself. Everything that you experience in this life, universe is aware of that. And if you think about it and start cultivating and training your brain to believe, to just know that yes, universe has my back. I'm always supported. Even if I feel that this thing, what is happening right now in my life, the circumstances are not favorable or the situation doesn't look very good, the outcome is going to be for my highest good. If you have this deep knowing, I ask you, what would you worry about? And I hear, nothing. That's true. So the very first step to stop worrying is to know and maybe to start cultivating, to believe this fact, that you are a very important and integral part of this whole universe, the whole system. And the universe is taking care of you in every moment without you even knowing it. As you don't know whether Earth is actually rotating and revolving, do you feel it? Yeah. The same way, this energy is also moving through your body and making everything right in your life, whether it seems like that or not in this moment. The second step is to come back to the present moment, because most of the time when we are worrying, either we are thinking and projecting into future, worrying about what will happen tomorrow. If I couldn't do this, if I couldn't achieve this, what will happen? Or we are coming from past experience. So what you need to do is just breathe. Feel the present moment. Just feel the air around you. Feel the energy within you. And use your senses to experience this life in that moment. Come back to the present moment. And you will realize that you are safe, you're secure, you're fine. The third thing, as one of my favorite teachers, Marianne Williamson says, worry is a prayer for chaos. You all might have heard of universal law of attraction. Through our thoughts and emotions, we attract similar things in our life. So when we worry, actually, we are praying for something which we do not want in our life to happen. Yes. So bring your focus back to what you want and take your focus away from what you do not want. Stop seeing the things which are forcing negative outcomes. Rather, believe that everything is going to be fine and believe in a positive outcome. So I wish you all the best to try these 3 steps and work upon stopping worrying. Focus on what do you want to do, what do you want to have, what do you want to be in your life, and move forward in the direction of your dreams. My name is Saloni and I'm a life coach, helping people to live the life they're capable of living. Thank you.